Hey there, digital art students. We are going to get started on this next thing where you combine an Illustrator file with Photoshop. So let's get started. I launch Photoshop and I open up the .ai file that you have from your letter form design. We click open. It'll ask you which thing you want to open, so you're just going to pick that. And then up it comes. Should look something like this. It'll have kind of these little checkerboard as a background. Don't worry about that. All right. So next, we got to open up the photos we want to mix with these. So this could be photos that you take while you're in class or photos off your phone, as long as they're your own photos. And so here we go. I'm going to go to open up this image, yeah, and this image. All right. So all I gotta do now is click, hold, and drag using the move tool this up to here. Boom. And then this one, same thing. Click, hold, drag up to here. There we go. And so one of these is a little bit smaller, so I'm gonna size it up. Yeah, like that. Just get it so it fills up the whole area. All right. And then now I'm gonna turn this off and get this one kind of in the middle maybe. But I think this one, I'm going to want to use it a little bit differently. So I'm going to make it, I think, mostly all of this dark area. So I'm going to move this photo down. Yeah. And I might even make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. And then move it. Let's see how that goes. Okay. Next, I click on this layer and I'm going to move this layer on top. Come up to here, all the way up here, and you can kind of see it's up here on the top. If I turn these photos off, you can see it. And so now what I got to do is hold the control key and click right on this picture. And you'll notice that it makes a selection of everything that it sees. So with this selection, I'm going to come down here to this um, layer, and notice how I have this selection. I'm going to turn this off. Here's the selection. I am going to click on this little icon, the mask, and you can see it just masked everything out. Except, I don't think I want to do it on that photo, so I'm going to undo that, and instead I'm going to click on this layer and choose this one and choose mask. And then you can kind of see that it has masked out this design on the photo. So next what I'm going to do is unlink this photo from this mask. So now when I'm moving this around, and we're going to lock this layer and come up here, and if I move this around, notice that the photo will disappear where there's a mask, but you can get things over here. So this is a picture of my kid. I want to make sure I can see her in there. And so that's where we're going to go. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. All right, looking good. So now that I have that, I'm going to play around with some layer modes and see if I can make this look a little more like something. So I'm going to change this maybe to screen, lighten, maybe overlay. No, let's try. Lighten looks pretty good. And then on this layer, I might try a different layer mode too. See what happens. Let's see here. So that one's there. And Not really seeing a difference there. Huh. What if I put this one on top? No, I don't want to do that. All right. Well, I'm going to look at the one I have in the oven here and see if I can see what differences it has. So I'm going to click over here. Oh, yeah. So I have this one on top and this one on the bottom. I had a mask here, but I got rid of it. I disabled it. So let me try that over here. Put this on top. This one set to normal. And then this one we're going to do something different with. Oh, yeah. That looks kind of cool. Maybe we'll try. Oh, that looks kind of dope. I like that. All right, so that is how you can play with your Illustrator design. Starts out like this in Photoshop, and then you add photos and use the mask tool to mask out your design on a photo. Thank you for learning.